Do you remember what this is called? This is a clock. So let's try to remember everything that we learned about a clock last year. So we have our big hand, which is our minute hand. We have our short hand, which is our hour hand. So for example, this time right now would be 5 o'clock, because we look at the little hand first for our hour and then the big hand to see where it's at. So 5 o'clock. Now how are minutes on this clock? Remember, our clock goes this way. We go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and this is o'clock. So like this is 6 o'clock. Now, I'm gonna make a couple times and I want you to tell me what time it is. So the 7 is, the shorthand is between the 7 and the 8. It's not past the 8, but it's past the 7. And our big hand is on our 6. So what time is this? It should be 7:30. If you said 7:30, clap your hands. Alright, I'm gonna make another time and I want you to tell me what time it is. Alright, so our little hand is past the 11, but it's not on the 12. It's not past the 12, it's past the 11. It's not on the 11. And look where our minute hand is. It's down on the 6. So what time is it? If you said 11:30, you are correct. And for a refresher, how do we write our time? We're gonna write 11:30. I'm gonna come up with another time and then I want you to tell me what time it is. I'm not sure if you got to learn this. It's okay, I can help you. So we know our little hand's on the 12, so it's 12. Then remember, we count by 5s. We go 5, 10, 15. So it is 12:15. So we write our 1, 12:15. Now, also, I want to remind you, we have A, M, and P, M. What does AM mean? Do you remember what AM means? AM is in the morning, PM is at night. AM is in the morning, PM is at night. So what time do I go to bed in the night? What time do I go to bed usually? Well, I try to go to bed actually around 10:30. And it looks like this, 10:30. What time do you go to bed usually? Alright. I am now going to write some times, and you're going to help me put the times that I write on the clock. Alright, so our first time we're going to show on the clock is 1:20. So I know we're showing 1, so our little hand is going to the 1. Now we're going to 20. So another way we could do it, we know the numbers, we count by 5s. But there's these little ticks, so we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we know that our big hand is gonna go to the 4. $1.20, we have $1.20. Next we have $4.15. So we know for 4, our little hand's gonna be on the 4. And we know that if it's 4.15, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If we said it's 4.15. Or another way, remember, we do know the 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, because we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So we know it's 4.15. Next, we're going to do 7:45. So, we know that 7, our first number, we make our little hand go to the 7. We know this was 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So our big hand needs to go to the 45. And it is 7:45.